Hey there gamers, having trouble launching Fortnite on your computer? Fret not, I've got your back. In this video, I'll guide you through the solutions step by step so you can get back to gaming without a hitch. Let's jump right into it and fix this issue together. Solution 1. First things first, repair the Easy Anti-Cheat program. Open the Epic Games launcher, click on Library, then on the three-dot icon below the Fortnite poster. Choose Manage from the pop-up menu. Click on the folder icon, and the File Explorer should open. Navigate to the Fortnite game folder, open binaries, then go to Win64. Open the Easy Anti-Cheat. Double-click on Easy Anti-Cheat _setup, granting permission. Click on Repair Service. Once the repair process is complete, click on Finish. Restart your computer. After restarting, check if the issue is resolved. Solution 2. Enable driver signature enforcement on your computer. Click on the search icon, type in PowerShell, and right-click on Windows PowerShell, choosing to run as administrator. Give the necessary permissions by clicking Yes. Type in bcdedit -set test signing off and hit enter. Then enter bcdedit -set no integrity checks off and press enter. Reboot your computer. After restarting, check if the issue is resolved. Solution 3. Now close unused apps from Task Manager. Right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Right-click on apps you're not using and select End Task. Ensure you do this for memory hogging apps like Discord and Steam. After closing these apps, try launching Fortnite again. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, then drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.